nature drew the first kanji. Look outside, Yama Mountain, Kawa River, Ta rice field, he the sun, Tsuki the moon above the water, 5 little pictures, nature's done. 3 peaks rising, that's Yama, a mountain standing tall. Water flowing down Kawa, 3 streams, you can draw them all. Yama, Kawa, Hitsuki, nature turned to signs. A field cut into 4, that's Ta. Rice is growing in the squares. A circle with the dot, the sun, he got squared, but it's still there. The crescent moon, Tsuki, hangs low. Now the magic, watch this one. He plus Tsuki, sun and moon, Akarui, bright 2 lights in one. Yama, Kawa, Ta, Hitsuki, 5 stories from the land. Sun and moon make bright Akarui. Kanji math, you understand. Yama, Kawa, Hitsuki. Next, your body is kanji, hands and eyes.